Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are at Walmart and we are here to do some couponing deals. I don't know what the Weekend Warrior is. It is 7:30 in the morning and I am kid free and I love it. But I do have some bonuses. I have like the hot bonus. I don't think I'm going to hit that because it ends this weekend. And then I have that other bonus where I need 145 rebates and I'm not really pushing it. April's kind of a slow month for me and that is okay. But we're going to go inside, show you guys some deals, and I may or may not have a printable breakdown. I have been extremely busy lately, but I will have the pop-ups of the coupon that I use along with the product and the app, so that might help you guys a little bit better. So let's go inside and go shopping and save some money. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here at my house. Actually, I was just like, I'm here at Walmart. Well, I went to Walmart this morning. I didn't go last week because there just wasn't a lot of deals, and if you guys have been following me for a while, I am swamped. I have been crazy busy with Etsy orders and just life in general, and it's crazy, but I still absolutely love to coupon. That's one thing I can't. So my store is still in the middle of remodeling. I did talk to somebody today about the cashier that I have been complaining about, and she's like, the one cashier, she's like, yeah, that's just the way that lady is. She's like that towards everybody. And I'm like, yeah, but that's just kind of bad, you know. I mean, I thought it was just intended for me, and she said that a lot of people have said stuff to her about her. So I'm like, well, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, you know, if you have multiple people telling you about a cashier because of her attitude. But anyways, I just avoid it now. I'm happy that my store has 2 different self-checkouts, and I just avoid the one cashier because of, I thought it was just towards me because I was a cashier. But anyways, let's dig in. But like I was saying, my store, they're still getting new items. They're still moving things around. I'm just like, okay, can you not break things, please? I got Miss Blondie right here next to me because she has to be everywhere I go. So I ended up getting some of the super pretzels. These were $2.78. I used a $1 off insert coupon that we got from our inserts. I can't remember one just recently, but you would pay $1.78 for these, and then you get $1 back with Ibotta, making these 78 cents. My kids are not as big of a fan of these as the other ones are, but I kind of made them where they're okay. It tastes probably even better if you had them in some like cheese sauce. I should get it to make some cheese sauce, like, and get stuff like that. I ended up getting the perfect bar. Now this was at my store for $2.28. You'd pay $2.28 for this, but there is an Ibotta rebate deal for $2.59. This comes out to be a 31-cent moneymaker. So I ended up getting that. Now I was like finally excited to see that my store is finally getting, like, you know, some decent products. So I ended up getting the Blue Bunny. I got the twist cones. I got chocolate peanut butter. I have strawberry cheesecake, and then I have the chocolate vanilla, which is the one I'm pretty excited for. So these were $4.78. Now there were some deals with coupons.com. So I scanned them in the app and nothing was popping up. So if you guys have those coupons, they will not work for these. Just giving you guys a heads up for it. But you want to buy all 3 of them. All 3 of them. You'll pay $14.34. $14.34 for 3 things of ice cream. And there is what, 4 of them in here? 4 of them in here. That's kind of... You're cold? Put it up there. Don't break it. But with Ibotta, you get $1.25 back for each one. So right there, that's $3.75 back what you get with Ibotta. But then with Shopkicks, you get 320 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.28. So you want to do that. And then if you buy all 3 of them, you get a 500-point bonus, which is an extra $2. So altogether, you will get $5.84 back with Shopkicks. So your grand total for 3 of these comes out to be $4.75 or just $1.58. So it's like $1.60, and I can't think of what, it's like what, $7.30. I don't even know off the top of my head. But if you guys need some ice cream cones, that's a pretty okay deal. I'm hoping my kids eat those. Can you leave that right there, sweetie? Thank you. I ended up getting some marshmallows because my son's been asking me to make him some Rice Krispie bars. So these were just $1.38. You'd pay $1.38 for it. But then you get a 50-cent rebate back with Ibotta, making this just 88 cents. Okay. I got some cheese because I've been on this. Oh, sweet. The cheese expires on my birthday. That is nice. That is nice. That is nice. I ended up getting some cheese because I've been eating some cheese with tortillas, and it's just an easy snack for me. And I just love eating sliced cheese. I like eating this stuff. This stuff I don't usually eat very often, but with the tortillas that I've been making, I've been having one slice of this and one slice of that. And then I just nuke it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, give or take. So anyways, these were $2. I'll make you a pretzel. These were $2.64, and when you scan this, there's actually 2 rebates. No, this one there's 2 rebates that pop up for the slices. There's one with this picture and there's one with this picture, so you actually get 50 cents back with this one. So this one comes out to be $2.39. With this one, there's only one picture that only one rebate that pops up. That's my neighbor. These come out to be $2.74. You get that 24-cent rebate. Did I not do my math right? 25-cent rebate comes out to be $2.24. No, $2.39. I didn't do my math right, you guys, but that's okay because I got that personally for myself. I ended up getting the Densify. Yeah, I ended up getting the Densify and the Whiter Teeth toothpaste. Now these were $3 or $6.97. There is $3 off insert coupons. Yeah, shh. $3 off insert coupons. Charlotte, I know you're having fun, honey. $3 off insert coupons from the P&G, and I love it how these took a whole month so they don't expire right away. But you'd use 2 of the $3 off insert coupons. You'd pay $3.97, but then you get that $3 rebate back for each one of these. These are 2 different rebates, making them just 97 cents. And I usually say 97 cents for $7 toothpaste is a pretty good deal. Now, this has been a while since I bought one of these, and the funny thing is, in the past with Ibotta, it's been a limit of 1. These were a limit of 5, and it came out to be a cheaper deal using the 4 off of 2 coupon. So these were $3.97. I used that 4 off of 2 coupon, paid $3.94, but then you get $1.50 back for each rebate, or for each item, so that's $3 back. So this comes out to be just 94 cents or 47 cents each. If you do that $1.50 off insert coupon, it comes out to be 97 cents for one of them. So it's cheaper to buy both of them. So, pain and itch. This would be something to use when we have mosquito season. I never realized that. I gotta keep one of those when I get mosquito bites. But I have one of those mosquito sucker things. Those things actually work. Rockstar. These were $1.50. You'd pay $1.50 for it. But then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just 75 cents. My husband's not a big fan of Rockstar, so I have to be very particular when I buy a specific flavor. Otherwise, he just brings a lot of this stuff to work and his coworkers eat it. And I'm totally fine with that because I like to help out people, and that's just the way I am. I ended up getting some pudding. These were $1.24. You'd pay $1.24 for it, but then there is a 10-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.14. So right now you can get it cheaper at Walgreens if you guys do that deal. Now here is an easy moneymaker. These were $3.47. Now I only cut out 1 coupon because I'm like, I'm just going to bring the 1 coupon with me. And funny thing is, there was only 1 product left on the shelf. Charlotte, did you just turn the TV on? No, okay. But funny thing is, so I ended up using a $4 off insert coupon. So this comes up to be a 53-cent moneymaker. You get that absolutely for free. I've been excited to try these. These are crunchy cookie M&Ms. These were 98 cents. You'd pay 98 cents for it. But with Shop Kicks, there is 110 kicks you'd get for purchasing and scanning the product, which is 44 cents. Comes out to be just 54. So I ended up getting the Renews-Its. The Renews-Its were 97 cents. You'd buy 3 of them. You'd pay $2.91, but then you get $1 off a 3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.91 or 63 cents each. I think there's a deal with an insert coupon where it's buy 4, you get 2 free. So basically it comes out to be the same deal with that. So I just did it this way because not everybody has that coupon, but it comes out to be for 63 cents. I think that's a pretty decent deal. I wanted to get a couple other deals, but my store just didn't have them in stock, or it wasn't the price I wanted to pay, and that is totally fine. So my grand total came to $43.14 after coupons. I got $19.44 back. I didn't finish the Weekend Warrior. I was on a time crunch because my husband had to go to work, so I was like, I shopped there less than an hour, you guys. You should be proud. But I needed 15 rebates for $1. I am 2 rebates short from getting my Weekend Warrior. And then that one bonus that ends in a day or so, I actually need, I think, like 10 or 5 more rebates or something like that. I can't remember what it is. I have my phone right next to me. We can check. I ended up needing, it said I needed 29 rebates. Oh, I only need 5 more rebates and it ends in 3 days. So I'm going to definitely try to hit that. I have to go to Walgreens tonight, so I might go to Walgreens and try to hit that. But 5 rebates for $10, we will definitely get that deal. But with Shopkicks, I received 1,565 points, which is $6.26. So my grand total came to $17.44. I forgot to do the itemized item. But I usually try to get it under 10, but 20 is okay. But if you think about it, I spent like almost 20 bucks. I spent 15 bucks just on those ice cream cones alone. So that stuff was expensive. And then the 2 toothpastes were expensive. So I think for $17.44, I think that's an okay deal. But I'm here to share with you guys any deals. Now, there are a lot of you guys have been talking about Brand Club. Brand Club is an app, and if you guys have not used it, definitely use the link down below. But if you guys haven't used it, you get paid for joining clubs. Now, when you join Walmart and Target, you get a bonus. But here's the thing. I always pay with gift cards with my Walmart. And there's an actual way to connect your Walmart purchase to your Walmart app, because your Walmart account is connected to Brand Club. So what you do is when you open the Walmart app, you just click right here where it says your name, hi, so-and-so. And then you go to purchase history. Now this is everything that I purchased, and then there's a little barcode right here. You're gonna scan your Walmart receipt. So that means it's already in here. So if you guys ever have to make a return or anything, you don't have your receipt, it's already in the app. You can actually just have them scan your phone, and it's so much easier. But that is how you connect your receipt that you bought, that of stuff you bought. If you didn't use your credit card or if you paid cash, you can actually put it into your account. And then when you go to Brand Club, you can actually just scan, or you just click the item to scan your product, and you get that. This app is super awesome. I've already gotten like almost over $100. Like right now it says $169, but that's not really what I have in my account. I have like $6. But you get surveys for everything you buy. So if you guys are thinking of buying something or whatever, connect it to your thing. But it's super easy, and I think if you guys join, you get $10 if you guys join, if you click my referral link. Yeah, you'll get $10 if you guys click my referral link, which is awesome. That is free money, but definitely be using it. I am going to be working on videos on how to use apps very soon. I just need a day. As you guys can hear, we got Kevin laughing in the background from the Minions. As you guys can know, I can only make videos when I am kid-free, and I plan on making a ton of new videos over the next couple weeks, showing you guys different apps and all that fun stuff. So you guys will definitely want to stay tuned, but definitely join Brand Club if you haven't. And Flues is another app that I absolutely recommend, other than Ibotta, Shopkicks, Swagbucks, all that fun stuff. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being supportive, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm here to share with you guys how to save money, how to save, and how to save. That's basically pretty much why I love my job, is showing you guys how to save money. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.